Corpus Christi climate summary for this evening as of 7 p.m., May 8, 2020. Today's high temperature was 94 degrees. The normal high is 85. The record high is 98 degrees, which was set in 1967. Today's low temperature was 76. The normal low is 69. The record low is 53 degrees, which was set in 1992. No precipitation fell today. Sunset tonight is at 8:08 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 6:44 a.m. The forecast for the Corpus Christi area. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely. Breezy, cooler. Lows in the mid-60s. Northeast winds 15 to 25 miles an hour, becoming north 15 to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation 70%. Saturday, showers and thunderstorms likely in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Cooler. Highs in the lower 70s. Northeast winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Near steady temperature in the upper 60s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Sunday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Northeast winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, increasing to east 15 to 20 miles an hour in the afternoon. Sunday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 60s. East winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Ranagorda Bay entrance times. Today, low at 10:27 p.m. Saturday, high at 10:30 a.m. Low at 11:13 p.m. Fort O'Connor Heights. Saturday, low at 1:02 a.m. High at 12:03 p.m. The water temperature at Port O'Connor is 80.0 degrees. Port Aransas jetty times. Today, low at 10:20 p.m. Saturday, high at 7:29 a.m. Low at 11:07 p.m. Sea water temperature at Port Aransas is 80.0 degrees. Sea water temperature at Port Aransas Channel is 79.0 degrees. New Oasis Bay times. Today, high at 5:10 p.m. Saturday, low at 4:49 a.m. High at 5:18 p.m. Khb41 Channel times. Saturday, low at 2:16 a.m. High at 3:26 p.m. Sea water temperature at Khb41 Channel is 80.0 degrees. Bob Hall Pier times. Today, low at 10:12 p.m. Saturday, high at 7:13 a.m. Low at 11 p.m. Sea water temperature at Bob Hall Pier is 81.0 degrees. Reported sea water temperatures are raw instrument observations and may be missing or become inaccurate under certain conditions. Here is the synopsis for the Middle Texas coastal waters. Winds and seas have briefly subsided to below advisory criteria this afternoon. However, small craft advisory conditions will quickly return this evening as a strong cold front moves across the region. The small craft advisory has then been extended through 10 a.m. Saturday morning for the bays and through midnight Saturday night for the coastal waters. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are expected this evening ahead of and along the cold front, increasing to scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms tonight and Saturday. Isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms will remain possible over the waters through Saturday night. A moderate northeast flow Sunday morning will gradually turn east through the afternoon and evening as surface high pressure shifts east. A weak to moderate east flow is expected Sunday night into Monday morning. Then winds will strengthen out of the southeast by Monday afternoon. Weak to moderate onshore flow is forecast for Tuesday. There is a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms Tuesday. The marine forecast for the bay waters from Baton Bay to Port Aransas. Small craft advisory in effect through Saturday morning. Tonight, east wind 10 to 15 knots, becoming northeast around 20 knots in the evening and overnight. Bays choppy to occasionally rough. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Saturday, northeast wind 15 to 20 knots. Bays choppy to occasionally rough. Showers and thunderstorms likely in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Saturday night, northeast wind 10 to 15 knots, decreasing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Bays slightly choppy to occasionally choppy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Sunday, northeast wind 10 to 15 knots. Bays slightly choppy to occasionally choppy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. The marine forecast for the bay waters from Port Aransas to Port O'Connor. Small craft advisory in effect through Saturday morning. Tonight, northeast wind 10 to 15 knots, increasing to around 20 knots in the evening and overnight. Bays choppy to occasionally rough. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then showers and thunderstorms likely after midnight. Saturday, northeast wind 15 to 20 knots. Bays choppy to occasionally rough. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Saturday night, northeast wind 10 to 15 knots. Bays slightly choppy to occasionally choppy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Sunday, northeast wind 10 to 15 knots. Bays slightly choppy to occasionally choppy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. The marine forecast for the coastal waters of Baffin Bay to Port Aransas out to 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect through Saturday evening. Tonight, southeast wind 15 to 20 knots, becoming northeast 20 to 25 knots in the evening and overnight. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Saturday, northeast wind 20 to 25 knots, decreasing to 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 5 to 7 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Saturday night, northeast wind 15 to 20 knots, decreasing to 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Sunday, northeast wind around 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet with occasional seas up to 6 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. The marine forecast for the coastal waters of Port Aransas to Matagorda ship channel out to 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect through Saturday evening. Tonight, east wind 10 to 15 knots, becoming northeast 20 to 25 knots in the evening and overnight. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Saturday, northeast wind 20 to 25 knots, decreasing to 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 5 to 7 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Saturday night, northeast wind 15 to 20 knots, decreasing to 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Seas 5 to 7 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet, subsiding to 3 to 5 feet with occasional seas up to 6 feet after midnight. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Sunday, northeast wind 15 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet with occasional seas up to 6 feet. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. The marine forecast for the coastal waters from Baffin Bay to the Matagorda ship channel out to 60 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect through Saturday evening. Tonight, southeast wind 15 to 20 knots, becoming northeast 20 to 25 knots in the evening and overnight. Seas 5 to 7 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Saturday, northeast wind 20 to 25 knots. Seas 6 to 8 feet with occasional seas up to 10 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Saturday night, northeast wind 15 to 20 knots, decreasing to 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Seas 6 to 8 feet with occasional seas up to 10 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Sunday, northeast wind 15 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Small craft advisory now in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time Saturday night. What? Northeast winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to 30 knots and seas 5 to 7 feet will develop behind a strong cold front tonight. Where? Waters from Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Baton Bay to Port Aransas from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel out 20 nautical miles and coastal waters from Baton Bay to Port Aransas out 20 nautical miles. When? Until midnight Central Daylight Time Saturday night. Impact. Strong to very strong winds and or increased seas will result in hazardous marine conditions, especially for inexperienced mariners with smaller vessels. Inexperienced mariners, especially those operating smaller vessels, should avoid navigating in hazardous conditions. Small craft advisory now in effect until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. What? Northeast winds around 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots will develop behind a strong cold front tonight. Choppy to occasionally rough waters are expected. Where? Bays and waterways from Bathurst Bay to Port Aransas and bays and waterways from Port Aransas to Port O'Connor. When? Until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday. Impact. Strong to very strong winds and or increased seas will result in hazardous marine conditions, especially for inexperienced mariners with smaller vessels. Inexperienced mariners, especially those operating smaller vessels, should avoid navigating in hazardous conditions. The current time is 9:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Here are the 9 p.m. South Texas weather observations. At Corpus Christi, light rain was falling. Temperature 75 degrees, dew point 69, and the relative humidity 81%. Winds northeast at 24 miles an hour, gusting to 32. The pressure 29.94 inches and rising. Across the area, Navy Corpus Christi, cloudy. Temperature 75 degrees. Kingsville, cloudy. Temperature 75 degrees. Alice, cloudy. Temperature 75 degrees. At Brownsville, visibility 10 miles. Temperature was 82 degrees, dew point 72. Wind was southeast at 9 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.87 inches and rising. Laredo, mostly cloudy. Temperature 84 degrees. San Antonio, mostly cloudy. Temperature 73 degrees. Victoria, cloudy. Temperature 76 degrees. At Port Aransas, winds north at 27 knots. Sea water temperature 80 degrees. At the buoy 90 nautical miles east of Port Aransas, southeast winds 50 knots. Water temperature was 77 degrees. Waves are 5 feet with a period of 7 seconds. Here is the 9 p.m. Marine Roundup for the coastal bend. The following data are raw and unverified. At New Ancient River, the water temperature was 81 degrees. Winds were out of the northeast at 19 knots, with gusts as high as 22 knots. The water level was 0.98 feet above mean sea level. At Packery Channel, the air temperature was 75 degrees. The water temperature was 81 degrees. Winds were out of the north at 25 knots, with gusts as high as 32 knots. The water level was 0.69 feet above mean sea level. At Bob Hall Pier, the air temperature was 70 degrees. The water temperature was 81 degrees. Winds were out of the north at 30 knots, with gusts as high as 36 knots. The water level was 0.73 feet below mean sea level. At Port Aransas Ferry Landing, the air temperature was 73 degrees. The water temperature was 81 degrees. Winds were out of the northeast at 26 knots, with gusts as high as 32 knots. The water level was 0.35 feet below mean sea level. At Bird Island, the air temperature was 75 degrees. Winds were out of the northeast at 29 knots, with gusts as high as 34 knots. The water level was 0.47 feet above mean sea level. At Baffin Bay, the air temperature was 79 degrees. The water temperature was 84 degrees. Winds were out of the northeast at 9 knots, with gusts as high as 11 knots. The water level was 0.31 feet above mean sea level. At Rockport, the air temperature was 75 degrees. The water temperature was 81 degrees. Winds were out of the north at 7 knots, with gusts as high as 18 knots. The water level was 0.71 feet above mean sea level. At Seabridge, the air temperature was 74 degrees. The water temperature was 81 degrees. Winds were out of the north at 10 knots, with gusts as high as 15 knots. The water level was 0.43 feet above mean sea level. At Fort O'Connor, the air temperature was 74 degrees. The water temperature was 81 degrees. Winds were out of the north at 21 knots, with gusts as high as 26 knots. The water level was 0.61 feet above mean sea level. NOAA Weather Radio Khb41 is the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz from the National Weather Service office in Corpus Christi. Transmitter facilities are located atop the Wilson Plaza in downtown Corpus Christi. Tests of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm device for the Khb41 listening area are normally conducted on Wednesdays between 11 a.m. and noon. During periods of severe weather, warnings and statements will replace normal programming. The following counties will be alarmed: Live Oak, Lee, Lapelia, San Patricio, Aransas, Jim Wells, New Oasis, and Clayburgh. The Corpus